Hello there, my name is John Carson. I'm a firefighter at Northallerton Fire Station. This is your firework code on how to be safe on Bonfire Night. Reading the instructions on a firework is very important. Make sure you're using a torch to read the instructions and follow the instructions to the letter. Once you've read the firework instructions using a torch for safety, the best way to light it is using a taper. Once the taper's lit, you want to crouch down, head towards the firework, light the taper and then move away as quickly as possible. Never ever return to a firework if it doesn't go off, it's very dangerous. The safest way to look after your fireworks on firework night is to keep your fireworks in a metal box. This prevents any sparks getting onto the fireworks and setting them off. Sparklers are very hot. Please remember when giving sparklers to children, make sure they're wearing a glove and they keep them at arm's length all the time. Once the sparklers run out, please place it in a metal bucket for safety. Always keep your fireworks in a box. Make sure they're well spaced out. Use a torch to read the instructions on your fireworks. Make sure that you use a taper to light the firework and stand well back. And please remember, the best way to enjoy a firework night is to go along to an organised display, and please make sure you keep your pets indoors.